Now let's set up the promotional kit. You can find this under the Grow and Promote section of your app. To get it going, select Setup. The promotional kit is an added value product you can offer to your clients. Within minutes, you can generate ready-to-go flyers that allow you to promote your client's new app within the store and online. There's 3 options you can select. You can use the poster to get users excited about downloading and using the app through an offered discount. Incentivize users to download the app because of the loyalty program and rewards they can earn. Or promote the usefulness of the app when using the groups management tool. First, it'll pull your main app color. You can absolutely adjust the color if you'd like through the color picker. Next, make sure to take a screenshot of whatever screen you want to promote on the poster. In most cases, you'll want to highlight a specific feature that is unique to your app. In this case, I'll highlight the loyalty feature. Within seconds, your promotional kit has been generated. You can easily edit, personalize, and change the text. And then make sure to also select whether it's a native app or a web app. As you can see, that'll change the available text and options below. Next, if you do in fact have the Promote Web App option selected, you can decide what screen the app will be open to if they do in fact scan the QR code. You can select the app home screen. If you choose a specific feature, in this case, I can allow it to open directly to the loyalty feature. If you want, you could start from scratch by resetting the template below. Once the promotional flyer has in fact been finalized, you can go up and select Download. We'll automatically generate it in all 3 of these sizes.